What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're going to be doing another wonderful Copart walk around here in Dallas, Texas. So shout out to Dallas and the staff here for allowing me to do what I do and get this in with you guys. I think you guys are going to enjoy it today. We're going to get through these fairly quickly, and then we'll pop over to the live auction for a little bit before we wrap up the video. So let's get into it.
Perfect.
Now this is probably going to be the star of the show, right? This is my end all be all truck. This is what I want. A 3500 Ram with the ACEN transmission, and I want a dually. It's got the lights that I want. I don't know if that's doo-doo brown or silver. It is a 3500. I don't know what the loss type is, but I'm willing to venture a guess and say that it was probably a depth recovery. Look at that spider web. Ooh, look at that. Oh, nah, man. Come on, man. Did somebody not wipe their butt and then they got in here with mud all over their hands? Y'all are foul, man. Some foul individuals, man. No key fob. Where's my repeater box when I need it, huh? Big 12-inch screen. It's a limited. Wow, this thing is beautiful, man. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Has the tracking thing in here built in that you get these from the dealer. I don't know if they're even worth a rat's ass, to be honest with you. It's got the longer cab. I would walk through here, but we're not going to walk through the spider web. We'll walk around the back here in a minute. I like the retracting steps. Oh, did I not pull it hard enough? I guess I didn't. Hold on. Yeah. I thought I pulled it hard enough, but maybe I didn't. Look at that beautiful 6.7 liter turbo diesel, man. What a beautiful car. Truck. Did I say car? Slap me in the mouth now. Damn. That thing is beautiful, man. You know, delete a couple of, things off of it. Delete the DEF. I know someone's going to be like, oh, they're going to report you to the EPA. Y'all know what I say about that, right? I'll let y'all, what would I say about that? What do I think about the EPA? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. Comment down below. I'm approving all comments about the EPA down below. 4x4, limited. Got some DEF in the back, a chain. I mean, she's clean, man. I mean, it is a 20. You know, it is what it is. It is a 20. Damn, that's foul, though. Hold on, look at this. Look at this back window, ladies. Do y'all agree with this? I don't need Google. My wife knows everything. Oh, man. You know what? I'm not sending that to my wife. I don't want no problems. Well, there you have it. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below. This is a beautiful truck, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful truck. Let's take this to the next one, which is this GMC Denali. I actually like this body style. It's exceptionally clean, man. 2018, right before they went to that weirdo ass design that GM and Chevy are using now. I like these. Look at the drop down foot joints, so you can climb up in the truck. Oh, this one does have keys present. It is only 24,799 miles. Let's see if she starts. Fired right up. Okay. Woo. Let's see if the AC works. You're gonna be like, TK, you just want to see if the AC works because you hot as shit right now. Oh look, theft deterrent system. OnStar thinks that the car was, maybe it's a theft recovery, because it's saying it was stolen. Yeah, look. Right there. The lock and whatnot. It is. I guess they think it was a theft recovery. I guess they feel like it was a theft recovery, or it was a theft recovery, and that's why it's like this. Interesting. Very interesting. So she's clean, guys. The theft thing is kind of concerning, but the radio works. The AC definitely does work. Steering works. There's no issues there. Very low miles, 24,799. Seats look really nice. The interior looks really nice. Let's look under the hood. I did feel a little bit of a misfire a couple of times. So I'm going to shut it off. I'm going to make sure that it also will restart. It does restart. So I'm not getting that issue. Let's see if we get that theft issue again. But I am getting that key issue, which means that this probably really was a theft recovery. So evidently Tim was the former owner of this vehicle. All right, Tim, I'm sorry that you lost your truck. That sucks. Yeah, theft deterrent system. All right. So somebody disabled the OnStar probably. They probably, in case y'all didn't know, OnStar is behind the glove box, so somebody probably opened it, ripped out the OnStar, which is probably why this is red, and OnStar is no longer functional. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood and see what she looks like under here. There we go. Oh, they took the sticker off, so we don't know if it's a 5.3 or a 6.2, but being that this is a Denali, I'm gonna guess, I'm gonna say it's probably a 6.2. I'm gonna say it's probably a 6.2, but they're pretty much very similar engines, so here's what it is. She looks really clean. Looks really clean. The misfire could just be that she needs, it's only got 25,000 miles. It shouldn't be having a misfire, but it could be anything from a plug to a coil pack. Who knows? You never know, man. Put a scan tool on it, though. You can find out real quick. But she looks damn good, though, for what it is. I don't see any other exterior damage or any other issues with it. So let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments section down below. This one is really clean for what it is. Now, it is pretty. She does look nice, I'm not gonna lie. That is a beautiful truck. Beautiful, beautiful truck, isn't it? But we're gonna go ahead and take a look at her. She's got a lot of spider webs and stuff around it. Somebody hasn't been around her in a while. Rough country lift. Decent looking rim, 69,000 miles. It ain't even broke in yet. 6.7 power stroke diesel. F350 Super Duty. Let's go to the other side and see if she has any damage. I don't walk through them spider webs, guys. I'm sorry. I'm not knocking them down. I ain't messing with them. All right. So she's pretty clean all the way around. I'm going to guess this is a theft recovery. Going to be my guess. Now, believe it or not, this truck was off limits the last time I was here, and you guys know that was a long time ago. The last time I was in Dallas, right? Back around Thanksgiving, this was here. All right. Now look at that. This is the one that had they had stuffed the cardboard and stuff in the sunroof and taped it off because it got stuck. This was the theft recovery. I remember this one now, and it's finally coming up for sale. No keys, and she was dead. Like they had the ECU or something was ripped out of this thing. But damn, man, this thing is clean. It was a beautiful truck back then. It's beautiful now. I know the forklift drivers have to be hating life trying to move this damn thing. Woo. Not unfixable. I think there's a lot of value here in this truck. If this is your type of thing, like if you're a big truck guy, there's a lot of value here where you could do something with this, I think, for sure. Huh. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Let me see if I can get under the hood. I hate these spiders, man. No, my luck. The one time I reach in here to... Go away, spiders. The one time I reach in here, I'm going to get bit, right? They're like, oh, look at TK being a pansy. Oh, come on. There we go. Yeah. There's the engine. Ooh, the spider's on me. Yeah. So let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. It is finally coming up, and this thing's been sitting here for a while. Like I said, we looked at this back in, I believe November was the last time we looked at this one. So, yeah. Let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, that's going to do it for the live walk-around portion of today's video. Again, major shout-out to the whole staff and team out of Copart, and major shout-out to corporate for allowing me to come out here and do my thing, man. I greatly appreciate it. There is, you know, I wasn't planning on picking anything up in Dallas. I'm just going to be honest with you. But there's a couple of ones that I'm looking at in pre-bids that are so cheap. One that I didn't show y'all on video on purpose because I don't want somebody trying to bid me up. I've learned my lesson with that. You'll see it in an upcoming video. And I'm going to try to win that. It's nothing for me to, you know, it's only a couple hours to Oklahoma City. So I could literally drive one to Oklahoma City, have somebody run me back down here and pick up my car. So, or I could even pay to have it hauled or towed. So not a big deal. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the live auction and see what some of these vehicles are selling for. If you're interested in joining the live auction yourself instead of just watching with me here on YouTube, you can go to copart.com/TK's Garage. And that will let you sign up for a guest account, a basic membership, or a full membership. Pick any one of those. Just go do it. It's a fun time. I promise you will not regret it. And then you can do the same thing that I do. Buy some of these cars, save a bunch of money on retail, and enjoy them and have a blast. Well, that's it. Let's go ahead and jump into the live auction, and I will see you guys at the end. All right, guys, welcome on into the live auction portion of today's video. I'm not going to be here with the whole thing with you guys today, but this is just giving you guys a brief example of what some of these vehicles are actually selling for. Not, you know, oh, I got it for this, and they don't show you the title or show you what a vehicle went for. This will actually let you see what some of these cars are going for. So feel free to watch this and see how it goes. I think we run this one for like 3.5 minutes today. On the auction. This Infinity's kind of cool, tempting, but I'm out on the West Coast, and knowing me, I'll go ahead and try to bid on this, and then I'll have to rush back out to go pick it up, knowing how I get down. So I'm gonna have to pass on this one. But nah, it's not bad either. The damage is not horrible. Huh. See, y'all gonna have me stick around and watch this whole auction, man. Damn it.
New bidder. This is a hot lot. High participation in the lane. Bonus time.